to show these two triangles, ABC and DEF, are congruent given that they share an angle, a side, and an angle, I'm going to construct a triangle with a specific angle, side, and angle and see if I can come up with a different triangle. So I'm going to just come out here and put triangle ABC. So I got this B angle here, and then I'm going to measure out the angle CAB. So moving this around, I can kind of see how my triangle ABC is going to work. And A and D and B and E are going to have a fixed angle amount. And A, the side AB and the side DE is going to have a fixed amount. So I'm going to come down here and I'm going to get a segment A through B. So the only way to create a triangle then is to then have a ray from A, in this case, to C, because that's going to keep that angle whatever the same. And then a ray here from B to C to keep alpha as alpha. Now I can move these around and make alpha and beta whatever I want it to be, and leaving F the same. So just to kind of highlight that, I'm going to put it here in purple. And then this angle amount in purple, and this angle amount in purple. So those are the things I can't change. So here, is it possible to create another triangle where alpha and beta are the same and F's the same, but I get a different triangle? And the answer here would be no, because if I wanted to pick another point, it would have to be on this ray AC and this ray BC. If I move C, you can see it moves alpha. So I'm not changing F. I can't change F, right? Because I know AB and then DE, the corresponding DE would be the same. And if the angles are the same, then the triangles are going to be the same. They're going to be congruent. So there's no other point on these two rays that are going to intersect where it gives me a different triangle. So this would be one way to show that only one triangle exists with a specific angle, side, angle. Similarly, on number 2, if we have triangle ABC and we're given a set length of AB and a set length of BC, which is congruent in some other triangle, then this triangle ABC is going to be the same as DEF, because there's no other way to create a triangle with these set things that's not going to be the same triangle. So here, then I need to find the segment that's going to connect A to C. And so this angle is set. So these rays here, so there's only going to be one line that's going to be this ray. In this case, if I put this ray here, B to A, and the ray B to C. If I have this set length I and H, or whatever the set purple length is, there's only going to be one distance between A and C that's going to be G here. So there's no way to make another triangle. If I move A, I'm going to change the length from A to B. And if I move C, I change the length from B to C, and that has to stay the same. And of course I can't move them this way because that's going to change the angle. So if I set the things that are in purple, there's only going to be one triangle that meets those conditions.